Good morning. This is a recording for Friday, January 26. I'm going to continue reading from the Book of Awakening by Mark Nepo, and today's essay is titled Never Knowing Where We Fly. Birds learn to fly, never knowing where flight will take them. There is a deep and humbling lesson in the way of birds. Their wings grow and stretch and span patches of air. First tentatively and then with confidence, they lift, they pump, they glide, they land. It seems for birds, it is the act of flying that is the goal. True, they migrate and seek out food, but when flying, there is the sense that being aloft is their true destination. Unlike birds, we confuse our time on earth again and again with obsessions of where we are going, often to the point that we frustrate and stall our human ability to fly. We frequently tame and hush our need to love, to learn, to know the truth of spirit, until we can be assured that our efforts will take us somewhere. All these conditions and hesitations and yes buts and what ifs turn the human journey upside down, never letting the heart, wing that it is, truly unfold. Yet, without consideration or reservation, it is simply the presence of light that stirs birds to sing and lift. They don't understand concepts such as holding back or only investing in if the return seems certain. In this, we are the only creatures that seek our guarantees, and in so doing, we snuff the spark that is discovery. Just how often do we cripple ourselves by not letting love, with all its risks, teach us how to fly? How many times do our hearts stall because we won't let the wingspan of our passion open us fully into our gifts? How frequently do we search for a song of guidance that can only come from inside us? I know that over the years, through fear and expectation, my mind has gathered and hoarded places I needed to go, things I needed to have, selves I needed to be. But here I am, without most of them, the goals and wants all used up in learning how to love. So try as I do to imagine and construct where I am headed, try as I will to plan and know what this life of feeling means, it is the pulse of what I feel itself that lifts me into spirit. In truth, wings don't grow any different to fit south or east or west, and our lives, no matter how we train ourselves, are more fundamental than any direction or worldly ambition. We, like the birds, are meant to fly and sing. That's all. And all our plans and schemes are twigs of nest that once outgrown, we must leave. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Your breath nice and soft, completely natural. See if you can find a sense of freedom, a sense of spaciousness in your breath, letting all the experiences of the present moment flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now reflect on some desire you have hesitated to give life to. It might be that you want to dance or play the piano, or an impulse to travel somewhere that is calling you, or the urge to get to know someone, even yourself. Whatever it is for you, let the feelings rise unencumbered. As you do this, keep your breath flowing softly, naturally. And as you reflect on this desire, impulse, notice how does it feel in your body? What emotions are being evoked by this reflection? Just allow yourself to feel, non-verbally. Now notice the thoughts that are arising as you reflect on this. Find the thought of hesitation to give life to that desire and focus your attention on that thought. How does this hesitation feel in your body, in your heart? What does this hesitation stem from? It might stem from a fear of failure or rejection, or a fear of the unknown. Whatever it is, let it be. Let yourself feel whatever arises. And maybe ask yourself, what is true about all these fears? What would my life be and feel like if I allow myself to try whatever it is I want to try, without hesitation? And now imagine breathing through your hesitation, knowing that just as wings can only fly if they flap, your ability to live deep things, to be in relation to life, will grow only if you try. Now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. And as you gently let go of your practice, as usual, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to keep reminding yourself that just as wings can fly only if they flap, your ability to live deep things will grow only if you try. And actually do something. Make a tiny step toward fulfilling this dream of yours, making this cautious, tentative desire your reality. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.